Shovelhead 8 and Timmy, and talking to Ed at Grizzly Taco, and he said he wanted to see what I have for, well, it's more than a first aid kit, basically a trauma kit that I've collected. I started off with a Canadian Army kit. Timmy's going to be a pain because there's Velcro on this. He does not like Velcro. So anyways, I'm going to go through this pretty quick because there's a lot in here. So I got a red patch for it because a black one on it because it's Army. So I stuck that on here. It's designed to go onto your belt and around your leg. That's enough, Timmy. Anyways, here's a tourniquet. I couldn't believe it. I took redid my first aid certificate last month, and now first aid they're calling for the use of tourniquets, which is a good idea. This is way overpacked of what it was, so we're going to go through really quick. Anyways, a few pairs of gloves, a couple different sizes, compressed gauze, a couple packages of that. Some Israeli bandages and emergency bandage, trauma word dressing, whatever. These are the 4-inch ones. One triangular bandage in OD for a sling. This is a light. It's still got the plug in it, but it's a flashing light, a flashlight, stuff like that. I put it in here to have it in this kit. Mylar foil blanket, just a cheapie. That wasn't in the original kit. Quick clot sponge. That wasn't in the original kit either. Another emergency blanket. Some moist wipes. I should check these to see if they're still good. This is an Asherman chest seal. I think there's 2 of them in here. And that's about it for that side. And over here, I got came across quite a few of these tourniquets, so I got a few of them hanging around in different kits. Headlamp, if I can figure out how to shut it off. There we go. So hands free when you're doing stuff. More gloves. A light stick. I'm not even sure what color this one is. Anyways, it's a cheapie. It's gonna go. mouth-to-mouth resuscitation aid, like a safety thing if you got to do mouth-to-mouth. Like I say, he does not like Velcro at all. Anyways, roll of tape. Bic lighter, because I throw Bic lighters in everywhere. Some lube for nasal airway, which I'm not going to pull out. Surgical marking pen. Decompression needle. A lot of this stuff is way above my skill level, even though I've taken first aid, but in this area there's a lot of people that have been trained to use it. So this is a LED flashlight, pen light, and I've stuck a piece of plastic tubing onto it so it doesn't get itself turned on. And there's chest needles, I think. Extra batteries. A whistle. Scissors with a lanyard. Another chest seal, some couple tegaderms, the transparent bandages, a couple gauze sponges and domino pads, and another large bandage. And that's pretty well it for in there. I was thinking of putting in a couple more light sticks, but yellow this time, for signaling. If nothing else, you use them as road flare. I was going to put this in, which is a adjustable light thing for to use with light sticks, but I don't think I'm going to have enough room, so I'm not going to bother. And I'm thinking of putting in a couple stir strips. These really belong in a first aid kit, not a trauma kit like this, but I'll throw them in. So anyways, this is Shovelhead 8 and Timmy. Now I'm going to use some first aid to fix where he bit me. And thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.